fellow student. So last day we have completed that exercise 3.2 and also we have started with exercise 3.3, that is substitution method, and I think I have done one question. And it is my earnest request to all of you, my dear students, that this is the time that you cannot waste simply. You have to utilize whatever we teachers are giving in YouTube or Google Classroom, whatever we are giving, you have to use it properly, okay? So please, my request once again, that whatever I am sending you, please check it on YouTube, and if you find any difficulties, you please send me the question in my WhatsApp number, and I'll give the solution in my next class, okay? So thank you. Now let's see, start with 1 Roman 3. Now here, first of all, you have to see whether there is a unique solution or not. If unique solution, then only you have to solve. If it is not unique solution, then no need to solve. Now question number 1 Roman 3, you see, what is that? It is thrice x minus y equal to 3, 9x minus thrice y equal to 9. So here 3 will be common because 9 and 3 is the common factor, so thrice x minus y equal to 9, so ultimately thrice x minus y equal to 9, 3 cancel, so it is 3, so 3. Now you see one thing, it is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, infinite solution, so no need to solve that one. Okay. Now let's see next question. Question number 1 Roman 4. 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3. Now you see 2 by 10, no need to cancel. 3 by 10 y equal to 13 by 10. We have a tendency to cancel. But you see, before you cancel, you have to check what is the LCM. See, here it will not be cancelled. So if you cancel here also, then also it will be LCM will be 10. So better not to cancel even 1 also. So LCM is twice x plus thrice y by 10 equal to 13 by 10. 10 cancel, so ultimately twice x plus thrice y equal to 13. This is equation number 1. Now let's see next one. So 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3. So as you have seen, 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3. Ultimately it is twice x plus thrice y equal to 13. So here also we write directly 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Implies 4x equal to 23 minus 5y implies x equal to 23 minus 5y by 4. This is equation number 2. Now substitute the value of x in 1, or putting the value of x in 1. Putting the value of x in 1. Now what will be that? So see, 2 into 23 minus 5y by 4 plus thrice y equal to 13. So this one cancel, 2 implies 23 minus 5y plus 6y by 2 equal to 13, because here 1, so LCM is 2, so 3 to the 6. And then 23 plus y equal to 26 implies y equal to 3. 26 minus 3, 23 equal to 3. So now putting the value of putting the value of y in 2. Remember, 1 already you have utilized. You cannot use 1 once again. You have to utilize 2 only. So x equal to 23 minus 5 into 3 divided by 2 equal to 23 minus 15 by 2 equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. Clear? So x equal to 4, y equal to 3. So you can check whether your answer is correct or not. See, 4 2s are 8, 0.8, and 3 3s are 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Okay. So 0.8 and 3 3s are 9. Oh, sorry, I have done mistake, sorry. 4, 4, 4, so it is 2. So see, this is very often the students used to do the mistake, even we also do the mistake. So this is a silly mistake, so please try to avoid the silly mistake, okay? So now you substitute, 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 4, 13. Okay, now here you see 4 2s are 8, 5 3s are 15, 8 plus 15 equal to 20. So answer is correct. Now proceed for the next one. I hope I've already written down the other part. So please write down the first. Finished. Now we'll proceed for the next lesson. Now, next one, that is 1 Roman 6. 1 Roman 6. Thrice x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. Next, we will not do any LCM and all, so let it be same equation number 1. Then next, let's see, x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. Here we will take the LCM. Let's see, 6 twice x plus thrice y. Now you see, this is converted into a factor. There is a fraction, 13 by 6. So that's why 6x can be cancelled. So twice x equal to 13 minus thrice y. So ultimately what? X equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. This is equation number 2. Putting the value of putting the value of x in 1. What is that? 3 by 2 into 13 by thrice y by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. Now you see, LCM 3 4s are 12. So 12 is the LCM. So 3 bracket 3 3s are 39 minus how much? 9y. This is how much? This is how much? 4. So minus 20y equal to minus 2. Now you see, ultimately how much? It is 3 into 39. 3 into 39 is how much? 117. The reason is that 40 into 4 into 3 equal to 12, 120, 1 less, so that's 117, minus 27y minus 20y equal to minus 24. Then what? So minus 47y equal to implies minus 47y equal to minus 24 minus 117 implies y equal to minus 141 divided by 47 minus cancel, so 3 implies y equal to 3. Putting the value of y in which one? I already told which one? It should be 2. So second equation. So x equal to 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2. 13 minus 9 by 2 equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. So x equal to 2, y equal to 3. You can check. X equal to 2. 2 to cancel, 3. Y equal to 3. 3 cancel, 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Correct. Then 2 by 3, 3 by 2. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 by 6. So your answer is correct. Okay. Now, next one is question number 2. Question number 2. So I will give some time. Please write down, and then I will proceed for question number 2. Please write down. Okay, now proceed for question number 2. 2, here also same. There are 3 equations. You see 3 equations given. First 2 it is only x and y, and third one it is x, y and n. That means first we have to solve. You have to get the value of x and y, and that value you have to use in the third equation to get the value of n. Is it clear? Procedure is same. So let's see. Twice x plus thrice y equal to 11. This is equation number 1. And then twice x minus 4y equal to minus 24. Now you see from here what is common? Common is 2. 2 is a common factor. X minus twice y equal to minus 24. So ultimately 2 and 24 cancel. So it will be 12. So x equal to twice y minus 12. This is equation number 2. Putting the value of x in 1. Then what it will be? 2 twice y minus 12 plus thrice 1 equal to 11 implies 4y minus 24 plus 3y equal to 11 implies 7y equal to 35. Because 24 when it will go to other side it will be plus, so 11 plus 24 35. So implies y equal to 5. 35 and 7 cancel 5. Now putting the value of y in which one? 2. So remember that. So x equal to 2 into 5 minus 12. So ultimately 10 minus 12 equal to minus 2. Now one thing you remember, actually whatever equation given, third equation given in the book, it is y equal to mx plus c format, and this is known as equation of straight line in the gradient form. Equation of straight line in the gradient form. M stands for gradient. Y equal to mx plus c. Though it is not needed for you right at this moment, but the same type of equation given, and that's why for your conception, for your to know, those you want to know more about that, that's why I'm getting y equal to mx plus c. This will be used in class 11, class 12 and higher classes. So equation of straight line in the gradient form. Remember that. Can you tell me what is the other name of that? It is other name already we have used in class 9 and this year as well in the exercise 3.2, that is equation in the form of one variable in terms of other. This is known as dependent equation as well. So we know this format is a dependent equation, but actual name is equation of straight line in the gradient form. So let it be. Now what is given in our equation, so that one I write it down. So 3. Now substitute the value. So y is how much? 5. X is minus 2 plus 3. So ultimately minus y7 equal to 5 minus 3 and plus m equal to 2 by minus 2. 1, 1. So m equal to minus 1. So got it? So please write down 3 minutes time. Next one. That is now the important part. That is the converting the statement into the algebraic form, that is equation form, and then you have to solve by the various method. As of now, you know the substitution method. Now here it is in this exercise, it is substitution method, so we'll solve by substitution method as only. But afterward, we are free to do by any method. Okay. So let's see. First, you read the question, and before we start this one, I will give you some important thing. That see, when this type of question will come, you try to avoid that to make it particular variable, because if you make particularly according to the question, then you have to follow that as well. See here, you see difference between two numbers is 26. That means one number is larger and other is smaller. But if you define that x is a larger number when y is a smaller number, that means you have to stick to that form only. So that's why quite many times we find that students have started with that one, but ultimately they have taken y as a larger number and x is a smaller number, so automatically there is a chance of mistake. So to minimize the chance of mistake, what we will do, I will suggest you, it is not necessary, but it is my suggestion to minimize the chance of mistake. So what I will do, just you see, 3 Roman 1. Let two numbers be x and y. Now you see what is the benefit of that. You have to know that. See, difference. So definitely, as it is a numerical positive number, so always larger number minus smaller number. So x minus y equal to 26. Now, did I write x is the larger number? No. Did I write y is a smaller number? No. So I have written this way. If suppose by mistake, if I write y minus x equal to 26, then also it will be correct. Then also it will be correct. There will be no deduction of mark in the exam and all. Okay? That means here itself you can find that, you can see that the chance of mistake where generally student used to do the mistake. So this is equation number 1. I'll follow this one, you do by this one. Okay? Here the next one is that one number is 3 times the other. That means x is a larger number, so x equal to thrice y. This is equation number 2. But if you follow this one, what do you have to write? Y equal to thrice x. Clear? So any one you can do, and you will get a correct answer. So there will be no chance of mistake. Okay? So you please do this way also at home, and I will follow this one. So putting the value of x in 1. So what is that? Thrice y minus y equal to 26 implies twice y equal to 26 implies y equal to 13. Okay, clear? Now putting the value of y in 2. Putting the value of y in 2. That is compulsory, okay? X equal to 3 into 13 equal to 39. Therefore, now here is not the answer, because they, in the question they did not ask you to find out the value of x and y. I have written x and y. Somebody may write a and b. Somebody else may write p and q. So that is not the answer. Answer whatever given in the question, according to that you have to write. Therefore, two numbers. Therefore, two numbers are 39 and 30. Okay? Next, question number 3, Roman 2. See, here also I will follow the same procedure. The two angles B. Okay? So I will follow by one method the calculation, you will do by another one, so that it will be more clear for you. Okay? So here not number, it will be angle. So before that, what is supplementary angle? Suppose this is one angle, this is 110 degree, and this is another angle. Suppose this is 70 degree. Now 110 degree plus 70 degree equal to how much? 180 degree. So if sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. Is it clear to you? If sum of measures of two angles, any two angles, is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. So here I write that 2 angle B, x degree and y degree. According to question, what is that? Sum of two angles should be, what is that? Sum of two angles should be 180 degree. So please write down x plus y equal to 180. Now in equation, you know, in equation there is no unit. So x, it is the equation, so that's why in both the side there is no unit. X plus y equal to 180. This is equation number 1. Next, x is the smaller angle by 18. X equal to y plus 18. Now I have written here, so for you first equation will remain same, there will be no change. But second equation will be changed. You can do by y equal to x plus 18. Y equal to x plus, y equal to x plus 18. So first one remains same, second equation can be changed. So y equal to x plus 18. So please, my dear student, please use this one and solve once again and you check whether the same answer you are getting or not. Okay, so putting the value of x in 1. So y plus 18 plus y equal to 180 implies twice y equal to 180 minus 18 implies y equal to 162 by 2, so 81 implies y equal to 81. Then putting the value of y in 2. So x equal to 81 plus 18 equal to 99. Therefore, 2 angles are 99 and 81. You can check whether your answer is correct or not. 99 plus 81 equal to 180. 99 minus 81 equal to 80. So your answer is correct. So please copy that one. Done? Okay. Now that's the next one. Next one actually already you have done in exercise 3.1, question number 2. Almost same as that one. That one it was sum of sum of the prices of the bat and ball was 3,900 and here it is 3,800. Okay, nothing else. So please write let question number 3. So let price of a bat be rupees x and price of a ball be rupees y. According to question, what is that? See, 7x plus 6y. 7x plus 6y equal to 3,800. This is equation number 1. And another one is thrice x plus 5y equal to 1750. Now you convert this equation into a dependent equation. So thrice x equal to 1750 minus 5y implies x equal to 1750 minus 5y divided by 3. This is equation number 2. So putting the value of x in 1. What is that? 7 into 1750 minus 5y divided by 3 plus 6y equal to 3800. Then you see here 1, so LCM is 3. So this one 1 2 2 5 0, then minus 35 y plus 18 y equal to 3800 implies 12250 minus 17y equal to 3 into 38. 3 into 38. I already told 3 into 4 equal to 12. So 122 to reduce. So how much it will be? 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 0, 0. So please try to adopt that calculation. If you are faster in calculation, you can save a lot of time in exam. So please try to check your competition skill again and again and try to improve on that. Okay, it is individual. It is not that you can learn from somewhere or somebody can teach you. It is your own. So please see what I have done. Once again, I will say that I multiplied 40 into 3. So 120. But here 2 reduce. Forget about this 2 0. So 2 reduce. So 2 3s are 6. So 120 minus 6. How much it is? 114. So 114. Then implies minus 17y equal to 11400 minus 12250 implies y equal to minus 850 divided by minus 1715 implies y equal to 15. Putting the value of y in which one? 2. Please don't forget that one, okay? X equal to 11750 minus 5 into 15 divided by 3 equal to 1500 by 3 equal to 500. So therefore, price of a bat is rupees 500 and price of a ball is rupees 50. You can check also. 5 7 are 35, 3,500. 5 6 are 30, 300. So 3,500 plus 300 equal to 3,800. And this one also you can check. 15 plus 250 equal to 715. You know, so it's correct. No need to check from back side. Okay. So please write down that one, and then next we will proceed for month 4. Copied. Now proceed to the next one. Very, very important question, and the other exercise also you get the same type of question but little different. Now fixed price, fixed charges and charges per kilometer. Now I'll give a real life example. Suppose you hire a car for going somewhere else, and on that particular morning that car reached to your home, but unfortunately you are unable to go. Now condition was that whatever you travel, that will be calculated upon per kilometer. But driver daily expense you have to give. That is fixed. That is 300 rupees. Now vehicle reached to your home, and on that very morning you come to know, or you face some problem, home problem or something, that you are unable to travel. Now driver already came to your house. Now he may get any other trip, may not get. Now you cannot say, as I am not going, I will not give the fixed price or fixed charges. You are bound to give fixed charges, and that is the question that here also. Fixed charges and charges per kilometer. Whether I am able to explain to you? Did you understand? Once again you see that driver will get a fixed charge for his daily expense, and then whatever you travel, whatever kilometer you travel, that one will be multiplied by the charges per kilometer. Clear? So let's see. Sorry. Let fixed charges be rupees X. Charges be rupees X and charges per kilometer be rupees Y. Now according to question, see, fixed charges you are bound to give, so that means X. And how many kilometer travel? 10 kilometer. So 10Y equal to how much? 105. This is equation number 1. The next one is X plus 15Y equal to 155. Equation number 2. Why? Because 15 kilometer you have traveled. Okay. Now, sorry, this one you have to convert. So X equal to 155 minus 15Y. So putting the value of X in 1. Then what is that? You see 155 minus 15Y plus 10Y equal to 105 implies minus 5Y equal to minus 15 implies Y equal to 10. Then putting the value of Y in which one? Time and again I am reminding you, 2. Okay, so X equal to 155 minus 15 into 10 equal to 5. 15 into 10, 150, 155 minus 150 equal to 5. So therefore please write down, therefore fixed charges is rupees 5 and charges per kilometer is rupees, how much? 10. Is rupees 10. So please write down that one, and then next we have to go to human time. So please second time. Done? Done it? Okay. The next one, fraction. Fraction. Suppose 3 by 4. In 3 by 4, can you tell me which is your numerator and which is your denominator? 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. That means number which you are dividing, that is dividend. Dividend is your numerator and divisor is your denominator. Is it clear to you? Okay, then proceed for the next. Fine. Let fraction be x by y. According to question, now 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So x plus 2, y plus 2 equal to 9 by 11. Implies 11x plus 22 equal to 9y plus 18. 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. This is equation number 1. Next one, it is given that if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, so x plus 3, y plus 3, fraction becomes 5 by 6. So see, 6x plus 18, 5y plus 15, cross multiply, so 6x equal to 5y minus 3. Minus 3, did you understand how? When you take 18 to other side, it will be minus, plus 15 minus 18, it will be minus 3. So x equal to 5y minus 3 divided by 6. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now putting the value of x in 1. So what is that? 11 into 5y minus 3 divided by 6 minus 9y equal to minus 4. So implies, what is that? What is LCM? LCM, here it is 1, so LCM is 6. So you see 55 minus 33 minus 54 divided by 6 equal to minus 4. Now, ultimately what is that? Y minus 33 equal to minus 24. It implies y equal to how much? 9. Putting the value of y in 2. So it will be x equal to 5 into 9 minus 3 divided by 6 equal to 45 minus 3 divided by 6 equal to 42 by 6 equal to 7. So what is your answer? This is not the end of the answer. What is your answer? Answer is the required fraction is 7 by 9. Required fraction is 7 by 9. Now you check it whether it is correct or not. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Correct? Next one you check. 7 plus 3, 10. 9 plus 3, 12. 10 by 12. 2 is common. So 5 by 6, your answer is correct. Okay? So please write it down. Please. Now the last one of this exercise, that is age problem. Now here, first of all, you have to remember a few things and then we'll proceed. Okay? See, these are the words you have to remember. Hands, from now. After. If any of these three words is there, then you have to remember the age will increase. Age will if ago, before, any one of these words is there, then age will decrease. Okay, this thing you please remember. This is the important part. Okay, because here only most of the time we find that student used to do the mistake whether it will be add. So if it is increased, it will be added. If it is decreased, it will be subtracted. So let's see here. Another condition you have to remember that you see in age problem, whenever you will start, you have to start with the present age. You cannot start with the future age, you cannot start with the past age. Because whatever we do, we do depending on the present. So that's right, present age. So let present age of Jacob, let present age of Jacob be X years, and that of his son be Y years. Now what I have given? Hence, from now, after, ago, before. So these 5 words you please remember. Now first condition is given that 5 years hence, that means this one. So age will increase. So according to question, X plus 5, 5 years hence. How many times? 3 times his sunset. 3 times. So 3 y plus 5. So you have to solve. I will not solve. I will make the equation. I will convert the statement into equation and you have to solve. At least one you have to solve by yourself. And then next you see 5 years ago. So what is that? Age will decrease. So x minus 5. 5 years from hence. 5 years ago. Okay. Then how many times? 7 times. 7 y minus 5. So please solve and do it. Remember this type of question. Once again I am telling that you have to see that what are the word using hence, from now, after, from now. That means future. Ago, back, before, back. Okay. So please go through it. And then in my last video, I have given one answer. One of you have asked one question from exercise 2.4, that is polynomial chapter, optional exercise question number 4. That one I have done. So same way, if you have also any query, any question that which one you did not understand, and then please inform me in my WhatsApp number. Okay, and you have to complete all this. Okay, so till then, bye bye, keep safe and practice regularly.